Hi, welcome to Valley Farm Labs. My name is Travis Valley, and this here is Champ. Is one of the dogs we have for sale right now. Some of the things we do here is we show him how to sit by leading him into position by putting the dog foot over head. Find it. Champ is a really nice boy. He's got a really nice build. Loves to retrieve. It's really good to bring it back to hand. Good boy. And all around, Champ has just been a real excellent boy. Loves to learn and loves to play. Champ. Champ. Sit. Good. So that's Champ. If you're interested in Champ, you can go to our contact page and share a little information about yourself or call us, and we look forward to hearing from you.